Hades.
Loves makes you get one of their cards in order to get a shower for fueling. So I'm going to try to disregard ever fueling at Loves again. You got to put all that shit on your phone. I'm in Jackpot, Nevada, just south of the Idaho border. Oh, I'm so furious with those fucking idiots. Dude, you can't like fuel. You used to be able to fuel and get a shower. Now you have to have a Loves card. You got to put all that app on your phone and all that. I already got the pilot stuff on my phone. Fuck Loves. Okay, so from that point on, I decided I was really pissed off at Loves, and I was going to do everything possible to not spend money there, to just not let them make any money. So I stopped fueling there, except for a few times when I had to, and I stopped buying food there. I stopped stopping there, and if I did stop there, I would not buy anything. I would just use their space, use their toilets, and not give them any money. I did that for like 7 months. There's a Loves I should have stayed at last night because it's closer to the customer, but I stayed 20 miles away because I don't want to give them my business. I would stay at a Loves, I just wouldn't buy anything. Might have to stay there tonight. They want me to go to Loves, but I'm just going to Pilot, which they used to send me this Pilot. I don't know why they want me to go to Loves, but I'm just going to Pilot. I'm going to fill here. Maybe I'll get in trouble, but I can't recalculate because it's just a couple miles away. So I'll just fill here. Fuck you, Loves. Okay, there's a Loves coming up. Since I'm at war with Loves, I'm not stopping there. I'm going to stop at the TA. But just so you know, I'm going to count that. It's another 10, 15 bucks against Loves. Loves could have had my money. I hate you, Loves! I hate you! Loves suck! Okay, I'm at Pilot. I'm not supposed to be fueling here. I'm supposed to fuel at Loves, but I went ahead and went to Pilot. I might get in trouble for this, but we'll see. Okay, $495. That's not including the DES. Another 50 bucks just for death. There's Loves. Sorry, Loves. You lost $545. Okay, 33 gallons. I wasn't supposed to stop and fuel here at this terminal, but I did because my next fuel stop is Loves. So I wanted to take a little bit away from that. So 33 gallons here. Okay, I only put 50 gallons in here at Loves. And we're going to wait on the diesel exhaust fluid too. So you won the battle, but you got some casualties. Loves, heavy casualties, and you're not going to win the war. Still, for this trip, it's probably about well over $200 that I could have given them that I didn't. But I still had a fuel here. I'm at a Loves. I'm gonna use their parking lot to park. Maybe use their shitter in the morning. And I'm not gonna eat here or spend any money whatsoever. I got food in the truck to eat for tonight. And I'll just make some instant coffee in the morning. There's a Loves. I hate you, Loves. I hate you. Out of hours, stuck at a fucking Loves. I ain't gonna eat here though, but I'll use their shitter. Eat my own food. Okay, I'm at Loves. You can't see it from here. I broke down and bought some food. My company made me come here to relay a load. And they had Carl's Jr. and I haven't had Carl's Jr. in months, and they're mostly at Loves. So I broke down and bought some food. So I was wounded a little in this war. It's my fault. I did something reckless. Also, I might be upset with Loves, but let me tell you, I'm trying to be fair. Let me tell you a couple cool things. One thing is they have no reserved parking that you have to pay for. And most of them. Maybe in a big city they do. Most of them, no reserved parking. Like Pilot, TA, Petro, Flying J, they all have like 20 reserve spots that you can pay for, which I think is bullshit. Love's never doesn't do that, so that's pretty cool. Another thing is overall they have the cheapest coffee. The price depends on location, but they have the cheapest coffee. It's not the best coffee. I think Pilot has the best coffee, but Love's does have the cheapest coffee. So 2 positives for them. Trying to be fair, but other than that, fuck them. There is a Love's right there, and I should be stopping there because it's closest to the customer I just dropped off at. But I don't want to give Love's any of my money, so I'm going to drive 23 miles up the freeway to not stop at Love's. Hell, I don't even like to give them the company's money. Sometimes I skip my fuel stop and go somewhere else. You did bad, Love. My goal was to prevent myself and my company from not spending any money there, and so that Love's would lose $5,000. I don't think I made it to 5,000. It was about 4,600, 4,800, and after 7 months, I just started going back. I figured the war was over. I won. I didn't make my $5,000 goal, but I did come close. It was closer to 5,000 than it was 4,000. I wrote it down, but I lost that paperwork. So yeah, there's that. I did that for about 7 months, and I just stupid camera. I did that for about 7 months, then I just started going back to Love's again. So there's that. I would deliberately not fuel when my company told me to fuel there. Then I'd request a new fuel. But there was, I don't know, 3 or 4 times I just couldn't do that because I'd done it recently. Mostly my company didn't fuel there anyway. It's mostly Pilot. But sometimes they'll have me fuel there. Look, the other places like TA will allow you to shower if you don't have to have a card. You just show them the receipt you fueled there. Pilot, I don't know, because I've always had a Pilot card. But that just pissed me off. So I kind of used my wallet and my company's wallet to show I disapproved of all that.